So here I'm going to give you 10 questions, 10 answers to the Unit C practice test. Please follow along, make sure we do these correct because they may be the questions that I grade. So first, we're going to distribute the 3 into here and the 5 into here. You can move whichever, you just want yellows on one side, pinks on the other. This can be reduced because both the 2 can go into both of these, so that gives you 6 and an 11. Therefore, x equals negative 6 over 11. Pause the video and copy what you need. Number 4. You want to get rid of this 6 first, by multiplying both sides by 6. This will cancel with this. Distribute. Get the y by itself. And divide. Copy what you need. Number 7, we're solving for r. So you want to move this t over by adding it to s. Plus they can't combine, you just get s plus t equals 2r. Divide. Number 8 for b. There's nothing to add or subtract, so now we're going to get rid of this 2. I'm multiplying both sides by 2. Divide by h. That's your answer. Number 9, we want q. I want to get this on top. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2q. (2qp) equals rs. I only want this, so to get rid of the 2 and the p, I'm going to divide it. Number 11, Carlos spent half of his paycheck on concert tickets. He earned more money, received $10, ended with 33. X equals paycheck. He had his paycheck, spent half, gained 10 more, his total is 33. Subtract the 10 first. Multiply by 2. It is $46. Number 12. Perimeter is 488. Width is 88. What is the length? The length, let's make it x. Perimeter equals width plus length plus length. So the length is 156 feet. She's selling brownies. Each pan is cut into dozen pieces. A dozen means 12. She bakes 2 pans. Cafeteria donates the rest. Sells 78. How many pans were donated? We're going to make X be the donated number of pans of brownies from the cafeteria. So, X was donated, plus the 2 that Susie baked, equals a total of 72 brownies. But these are pans. She'd want to get them all to equal brownies. But we know that each pan makes 12 pieces. So now we can solve. Four pans. No, I'm not going to do number 16, but I will show you the answers. Put these equal, you get that X equals 12. Now we got to plug in to see how much weight she's lifting. This side is 80. This side is 80. And this is 15. It is 175 pounds. And the last one, number 17. Complementary angles are 2 angles whose sum is 90. So here's the equation. We get that R equals 5. Substitute for each angle, find the measure of each angle, and plug it back in. 8 times 15 plus 9. Sorry, 8 times 5. 49 degrees. 7 times 5. 41 degrees. Be prepared for your test on Wednesday.